These 10 animals sound nothing like you'd expect, and some of these sounds even surprise biologists. Listen closely. A few of them don't even sound real. Cheetah. Surprisingly, cheetahs don't roar. Instead, they make soft chirping and meowing sounds to communicate, especially with their cubs. Australian bustard. This bird produces infrasound, so low it's barely audible to humans. You might not hear it clearly, but your body will feel the vibration. Rock hyrax. Their sound is more intense than you'd expect from something that looks like a guinea pig. Marmot. Marmots are famous for their sharp whistles and warning cries. Quick, loud, and sudden, they sound like tiny explosions. Tortoise. Usually a symbol of peace and stillness, but during mating season, they produce groaning sounds that catch most people off guard.